Hello everyone, welcome back. It's me, Debbie. It's been a while. I'm cooking up a quick 30-minute or under dish today. Some chicken, shrimp, and pasta. And I just wanted to show this for my busy moms out there. Now I have chicken breast that it's already washed and clean. I was slicing. I wanted to show you how I was slicing them, slanted instead of cube. I was just slanting, those slants like this. So here I still have a piece of the breast, and I just, like this. And I also butterfly the chicken first, cook faster. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's pretty optional. So now that I have all my chicken cut up, washed and clean, I have too much water in the bowl. I'm going to pat dry this before I put a little seasoning on the chicken. It's just something quick and simple. Butter, garlic, shrimp, and chicken. Because I didn't have enough chicken or enough shrimp, I'm combining the two. And one thing I want you guys to know is that's always an option rather than stressing yourself out. Because I have not been feeling well the last few days. So I pat dry that with the clean paper towel. Makes when the time comes to brown it a little easier. I'm going to season with a pinch of garlic powder. For this amount, I'm going to say about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of Creole seasoning, and a half a teaspoon of Old Bay, pinch of salt, so pinch of salt, pinch of paprika, and I don't see probably a half a teaspoon of paprika. I don't see my black pepper. Oh, it's over there. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, now that doesn't seem like half a, oops, oh, red pepper flakes. You put as little or as much. I have some people around here who loves the spice and others don't. So let me rub this up really good. I already have the skillet heating up to save me some time. And I hope you can see there I have a large onion, 2 plum tomatoes, and about 4 garlic cloves that I chopped up over here that I'm going to need later on also. Okay, to the hot skillet, I'm going to add some olive oil. My hand is still dripping water. I don't want to splash myself. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the skillet. I have my water boiling over there for the pasta. When you're busy, mom, you're going to like these quick 30-minute and under meals, okay? They are lifesavers. Okay. I also have the pre-cooked shrimp. Again, save time. Just make sure it's wild caught. And I am gonna sprinkle a little Creole seasoning. This is this is a 1 pound bag of shrimp. Black pepper. Old Bay, pretty much everything I put on the chicken. Salt, paprika, use a tongue. Get it out the way. I'm also gonna need the juice of half of a lemon. Okay, I'm gonna start browning these chicken pieces now, guys. And I will come back once the chicken is brown. So we're done browning the chicken. Here we are. This is what they look like, about 3 minutes on each side. And to the pot now, I'm gonna add a stick of butter. My butter melted. Stick of butter. the linguine pasta is already done, so this meal is really quick. I'm going to saute the onions and garlic right now. Let me cut the lemon, squeeze the juice. Oh, that's smelling so divine. Now let me add the tomatoes. Okay, I'm just gonna add the chicken, chicken pieces back in here, and the shrimp, because the shrimp was already pre-cooked shrimp. I didn't need to do anything but put a little flavoring on them, so I seasoned them up just a little bit. Because you don't want to overcook the shrimp and make them tough. Let me squeeze the half of I promise you guys, this dish takes you no more than 20 minutes, 30 minutes the most. Because remember, while you're browning the chicken, you're cooking your pasta also. So just for a little bit more liquid, so the pasta is not dry even though it's finished, and I pour some, I sprinkle some olive oil on it. This is some liquid I saved from the pasta. I'm gonna add about a half a cup to this. Yep, and I'm gonna add some more red pepper flakes because I know my Jay. And I have some dry parsley, guys. So after I add the shrimp and the chicken in there, after the saute and I add the shrimp and the chicken in there, you don't need to cook it for no more than 7 to 8 minutes. That's it. When you're browning the chicken, remember if you pot dry the chicken before you season it and don't let it be filled with liquid, then it browns so much faster. All you need is 2 minutes on each side. If you didn't use pre-cooked shrimp like I did to speed it up, and you use raw shrimp, after you finish browning the chicken, you would also brown them a little bit, maybe a minute on each side, because you know shrimp cook fast again, so you want to be careful with that. Oh my God, that is filled with some freaking flavor, okay? For something so quick. You could even, I've done this and serve it with over some white rice, because I'm not a big pasta person. My husband is. I'm not a big pasta person. So I have done this and serve it over some white rice. So here goes what it looks like. Oh, the thing is the heat is steaming up the camera. So that's it. Let me take some in a bowl to get a picture for you, because the steam is still too hot. The steam is, because I'm not feeling so good, so I'm not planning on eating. I just cooked something real quick for the kids. Even though it's only me and Jade, I have a friend and her small children staying with me for a little while, so I just cook for them and Jade. And then I'm just gonna go lay in my bed and do some work on my blogs if I can, but I'm really not in the mood to eat. But this is I'm gonna at least try and taste it though. Guys, the flavor on this thing is out of this world. I'm telling you, for something so simple. If you want to save time, I dice up 2 plum tomatoes. If you want to save time, you can use the canned tomatoes. I would prefer the one with garlic. Or the plain one is fine. If you want to really save some time. Guys, thank you so much for watching. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours. Thanksgiving is coming up. I want to wish you and your family a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving. I'm sure I'll see you again before Christmas. You have a blessed day, guys. Love you. Bye.